Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the N26 Bank mobile app on your phone. N26 Bank is a digital bank that offers a range of services including current accounts, savings accounts, and investment products. To get started, you will need to download the N26 Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. First, open the App Store on your phone and search for N26 Bank. Once you have found the app, click on the download button to start the download process. Depending on your internet connection, this should only take a few seconds. Once the app has been downloaded, click on the Open button to launch the app. You will be presented with a welcome screen that asks you to sign up or log in. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to enter your email address and choose a password. Make sure your password is secure and unique to prevent unauthorized access to your account. You will also need to provide some basic personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Next, you will need to verify your identity. This is a mandatory step that is required by law to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. You will need to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Once your identity has been verified, you will be asked to set up a PIN or fingerprint login. This is an additional security measure that will help to protect your account from unauthorized access. After you have completed the sign-up process, you will be presented with a dashboard that shows you an overview of your account. From here, you can view your account balance, transfer money, and pay bills. It is also a good idea to set up notifications and alerts to keep you informed about any transactions on your account. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting the Notifications option. Finally, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your account, including any fees and charges that may apply. You can find this information in the app or on the N26 Bank website. That's it. You have now successfully set up the N26 Bank mobile app on your phone. You can use the app to manage your finances, transfer money, and pay bills. Remember to always keep your account information and login details secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account.